This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Barbara Pawlak. Move-in ready home in the beautiful gated community of Plantation Bay. This spacious 3-bed, 2-bath residence offers an open, split-bedroom floor plan with over 2,200 square feet of comfortable living space. Enjoy a light and bright interior, high ceilings, and a screened lanai overlooking a private, landscaped yard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. No mandatory club membership required and low HOA fees make this one of the best values in Plantation Bay. Optional memberships are available for golf, tennis, fitness, and resort-style pools if desired. Conveniently located near Ormond Baech shopping, restaurants, and just minutes from the ocean, this home is ready for you to move in and start enjoying Florida living today. Recent updates and immaculate condition make this home truly turnkey and ready for a quick closing. For more information